Today I got another easy, simple recipe for y'all. And I really won't call it a recipe. It's just really a real simple dessert. You don't need no vegetable oil. You don't need no eggs, no water. You don't need no mixer, nothing like that. So, oh, and if y'all hear some sizzling, frying chicken and other stuff like that too in the background. So, oh, and it's different. It's called a dump cake, and it's different kind of dump cakes. You can do a cherry, blueberry, peach, apple, any type of fruit you can think of. You can do a dump cake with it. So we're gonna get right into it, so I can go ahead and show y'all how to do it. So let me put the camera down so y'all can see. Okay, so it was a little few technical difficulties, but we got it. So you're gonna need either yellow cake mix or butter golden cake mix. Don't matter what brand. I normally get the Duncan Hines. To me it's better. So you'll need this. Just one of your favorite fruit that you want to use. I'm using peaches. I did get two. I might not use both of them. It just all depends. And some butter. So let me go ahead and pop this open. All you do is spread it out. Oh, and hold on, y'all. I did forget about my nutmeg and cinnamon. You're gonna need that too. Okay, since I normally put vanilla in mine, since I don't have any of that, I keep forgetting to get it. I'm gonna just use what's left of this butter extract. And then I'm going to put just a hint of lemon. And that's it with it. Your ground cinnamon, don't matter what brand. Just sprinkle it in there. And the amount you use, it just depends on you. I like cinnamon. So that's why I'm sprinkling quite a lot, but it just depends on your preference. There's something different about the way we are. We just gonna mix that in. Y'all, like I said, it's real easy to do. It's not hard to do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this other can, so you will need two.
I just broke another one. BP advanced.
I thought this one had the one you just open it up to, but I guess not. I hope everyone is having a pretty good day. I can't say blessed day because every day is blessed, but I hope all of you are enjoying your day. Y'all, like I say, anybody can do this. When I say anybody, anybody. And it is so good. When I say so good, it is so good. Okay, y'all, hold on right quick. Let me take my macaroni out.
BPSH nasty, bro.
Okay. What y'all cooking today at the house? I wasn't planning on cooking, but I went ahead and we went and got some chicken. So instead we'll just cook some chicken and macaroni and probably some green beans. And what I'm doing is just sprinkling the cake mix on top, making sure it's covering the whole pan. You want your peaches to be covered.
One coming upstairs. Man, this BPSH different, bro.
Okay, and now the fun part. You get your butter. And once again, it don't matter what kind of butter you use. All you do is slice it about this size right here. And you just gonna lay it on top of the cake mix. You just layer it over the whole thing. And it don't take long to do. Like I said, if you ain't a baker, you don't really know how to bake cakes and stuff, and you have to bring a dish to a cookout or to a certain event or something, you might want to go with something like this, where you don't have to be trying to measure stuff and don't know how long the cake's supposed to sit in the oven and things like that. And everybody will enjoy these. And I do have, I can slice this a little bit more. I do have my oven on 350 already. Everybody's oven is different. So it just depends when it comes to that. But once this is finished baking and I take it out the oven, I'll give you all an estimated time on how long it took my dump cake to finish baking. So now I'm just gonna throw this in the oven. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Once I take it out, then I will be back to show you all what it looks like. Alright, so I just took it out of the oven, and this is exactly what you want it to look like. It's similar to a peach cobbler, but to me, honestly, it's better than a peach cobbler. But this is what you're looking for. And I think mine set in the oven for like maybe 28 minutes or so. So that'll kind of give you an idea of the time that you need to leave it in. But I would say around like 15 or 20 minutes, just check it. And once it gets brown like this on top, because you don't want it to burn, But once it gets brown like this, then you'll know to just take it out. And it's not, you know, liquidy or nothing like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on this plate. I probably needed a bigger spoon. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna use my spatula to get this out. And if y'all can see, there's no liquid left in here. And like I said, it's similar to a peach cobbler, but it's so much better, I promise you. And this is it on our plate. And you can even, matter of fact, I got some pecan ice cream, y'all. Hold on one moment. You can even top this with a scoop of ice cream, and you'll be good to go. This also is a really nice summer dessert to make. It's kind of like a southern dessert too, but y'all, it's really, really good. So I want y'all to try it, and if y'all do, tell me how y'all like it and how it came out. But I promise y'all, this is another simple, quick, easy dessert that you will absolutely love, y'all. I wouldn't sit here and lie to y'all. But well, did I tell y'all? I don't think I told y'all in the beginning to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all always do that, because if y'all speak, we speak back. If y'all want to talk, we'll talk back. But thank y'all for checking in and stopping by and clicking on the video to see what I was doing today. And once again, we will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much. Bye. So